The Law Association of Trinidad and Tobago is concerned over reports of what it perceives to be several threats against the life of High Court Judge Mr. Justice Frank Seepersad. The High Court judge received a letter containing a 9mm bullet and the warning that he should resign or the bullet would look good between his eyes. The Law Association strongly condemns such attacks on the judiciary and is confident that the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service will continue to thoroughly investigate and promptly bring the perpetrator or perpetrators to justice. The association says that threats against the judge are extremely disturbing and they are in no uncertain terms an attempt to directly undermine the authority and independence of the judiciary. The association said in a release the judiciary is the guardian of justice and the cornerstone of a democratic society based on the rule of law. In that regard, judges are entrusted with the fundamental role of protection of rights and must at all costs be able to function without fear, favor, and prejudice. Now, in some more crime news, investigators are continuing investigations, continuing into the kidnapping of a Pleasantville man by a group of men dressed as police on Corpus Christi. According to reports, at 11:21 p.m. on June 11th, police officers received word of a kidnapping at Coconut Boulevard in Pleasantville, San Fernando, where someone was seen being beaten by individuals clad in police uniforms and being taken away in a black-colored SUV. Officers from the Southern Division Task Force Emergency Response Patrol and officers from the Southwestern Division responded and intercepted the vehicle along Pluck Road in Woodland. There were 4 people in the vehicle. The victim, 26-year-old Renarco Pierre from Blitz Village, the driver who is a police constable attached to the Guard and Emergency Branch, Police Academy, and 2 other men from Monrepo, aged 26 and 29. Officers say a firearm was found when they searched the vehicle. All occupants of the SUV were taken to the Monrepo police station where Mr. Pierre indicated that he was kidnapped by the men. He was taken to hospital for medical attention. Now, several people were arrested on Thursday for various offenses, including murder, during an exercise in the Northern Division. The police seized 3 firearms and a quantity of ammunition. The police found 1 AR rifle with 1 magazine containing 53 rounds of ammunition. Also seized was 1 Taurus pistol with 12 rounds of ammunition. The third weapon was a Glock 19 pistol with 1 drop barrel magazine and 1 selector, together with 27 rounds of 9mm ammunition. A quantity of cocaine and cannabis was also seized. 16 people were arrested to answer the charges of murder, possession of firearms and ammunition, possession of cocaine, gang-related inquiries, and an outstanding warrant for rape.